Hello, my name is Imraan Mohammed, and I've been a Design Your Career student leader for 2 years, since July 2021. Design Your Careers is an amazing platform that allows students to showcase their talents and skills through leading hands-on educational workshops. Through DYC, I've done 3 workshops during my time with them. The first one is a beginner scratch programming workshop. In it, I was able to teach small students how to use Scratch and was able to create an interactive game with them that showcased their skills and what they learned during the workshop. The second workshop that I conducted with DYC is a Python programming workshop. I taught basic Python to some students and once again helped them create a project that showcased their skills and hopefully inspired them to do more Python projects in the future. The most recent thing that I did with Design Your Careers was a presentation about speech and debate. I presented about the different events in speech and debate, how to participate in speech and debate, and a beginner's guide to speech and debate that I hope inspired others to engage in this activity that I've recently started doing. I have enjoyed my time with Design Your Careers and doing these 3 projects with them. I feel like it helped showcase my skills and help me get recognized for my work while allowing me to share my skills with others. I look forward to hopefully doing more projects with them. I encourage all of you, whether you're a student or you're looking to teach some skills that you have, to join Design Your Careers, and you can go to their website to designyourcareers.org for more details. Thank you.